All right, guys, there are a few things you need to know in order to use our classroom library. The first thing that you need to realize is that our classroom library is color-coded, as you can see here. So the dots on the book stand for whatever genre it belongs in. So if you see a solid green circle, that means it's fiction. Yellow is historical fiction. Black is science fiction or fantasy. A solid red circle or a red outline circle is nonfiction. Blue is mysteries or thrillers. A blue outline circle is sports. Purple is dystopian, and a yellow outline circle is miscellaneous books such as short stories, graphic novels, or things that I couldn't really specify a genre for. All right, now that you know how the books are organized, you are ready to learn how to check out and return books to our classroom library. So we will be using Booksource to check out and return books. To access Booksource, you go to www.classroom.booksource.com. If you've entered the right website, you will see the screen that is in front of you here. Our classroom ID and password are the exact same thing. It is both Cinda English 8, all lowercase for our user ID, as well as our password. So once you enter in Cinda English 8 and Cinda English 8, you just need to click Sign In. From here, you would like to go to the student page. So go ahead and click on Students, like you can see right here. If you want to check out a book, which you all do, go ahead and click on your name. So you can either do two things. You can type in your first name and last initial, or you can kind of scroll down and search and you can find your name. As you can see, the names here are listed in alphabetical order by your first name and your last initial. Okay, so you can either scroll to find your name or you can type it in. Okay, so I'm going to be Jane Doe today, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my name. You'll notice that it prompts you for a password. Your password is your 5-digit lunch pin, so you'll want to go ahead and enter that. Obviously, yours won't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, you can either check out and read, or you can return a book. Let's start with check out and read. So if you want to check out a book, which we all do, go ahead and click on Check Out and Read. You can see the list of our library books. You can do two things. You can scroll down and you can see all the books in the library and find then one that you want and click Check Out. There's about 620 or so for you to choose from. Or most likely what most of you will do is come up here to the search bar and you can type in the title, you can type in the ISBN number, you can type in a keyword to kind of bring up a book that you want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check out the book Recycler. So all you have to do is click on the green banner that says Check Out Book. Once you do that, you are ready to read your book. Okay? In order to return your book, we're going to follow the same process, okay? So we're going to say that that's not me. And I'm coming back. I've already logged in, done Cinda English 8, Cinda English 8. I found my name. I've put in my lunch pin, and I am ready to return my book. So once I am there, okay, I'm now just going to click over here to the blue Return Books. So when I click that, I will see a picture of the book that I have checked out. From here, you have the option to rate your book on a rating scale of 1 to 5. It's extremely helpful to see how students rate books, so go ahead and make a rating. I thought this book was pretty decent, so I would maybe give it 3. Once you are all set there, all you have to do is click Return Book. And there you go. You've successfully returned your book. You just need to make sure that you place it on the shelf in the correct area, in the right area where it is color-coded. Now, you guys are ready to use our classroom library.